Hey guys, welcome to today's episode of the Entrepreneur Hour. Today's topic is the top 10 websites for beginner investors. I'm constantly asked, what are your top 10 investing websites that you would recommend for beginner investors? Even intermediate and even advanced investors can use these tools. So let's go ahead and jump into them. First off, if this is your first time to the Entrepreneur Hour, welcome. Thank you for joining us. Please make sure you hit the like on this video and subscribe to this channel. The Entrepreneur Hour, our goal is to educate, influence, and empower people. Uh, the Entrepreneur Hour on this YouTube channel is where I share everything I've learned over my 20-year journey in being an active practitioner in personal development, business, entrepreneurship, small business, technology, marketing, personal finance, money management, investing, and real estate. I was able to bootstrap my way through business school, and I look forward to sharing with you the many lessons learned in the trenches, so hopefully you don't make the same mistakes I made. Focus on progress, not perfection. I look forward to hearing about your next success story. So, here are the top 10 websites I suggest you use when it comes to investing. Number one is Vanguard. Vanguard is a great investing platform. It's one of the lowest fees out there. They have a lot of great options, a lot of great research, um, good training, good webinars, and yeah, I'd highly suggest you guys check out Vanguard. Um, that's a great uh, platform for investing. Number two, Realty Mogul. Realty Mogul focuses on REITs, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. It's a nice way to put some cash away and get some dividends, either cash-based dividends paid or reinvested. Number three, Coinbase. Coinbase is going to be your platform investing for cryptocurrencies. There's tons of cryptocurrencies, more and more coming out onto the market. I highly suggest you don't put a ton of your money into it because it's very volatile. So if you can ride out some volatile times, but Bitcoin is at a all-time high of over 50,000 per Bitcoin, US dollars. So definitely check out Coinbase. Next one, M1 Finance. It's a newer one I've been trying, and I've tried all these, by the way. I'm not going to tell you guys to use these if I don't use them myself, right? You don't know it till you live it, and I've been living this. So that's why I'm sharing these fundamental tools with you. So M1 Finance, another good one for buying, selling stocks, and you can actually create what's called pies, and it's a very nifty tool. I love their mobile app. Next one, Fundrise. That's another one when it comes to REITs. I think they're a little bit more uh, approachable compared to some Realty Moguls REITs. They're much more pricier. Fundrises are more affordable, and you can get in with a couple $100. The next site I want to point you to, and I have to bring it up because it's a huge resource, is financialsamurai.com. This is what got me started on my investing journey back in the day. Um, and I actually did a lot of research about ranking the best passive income investments in Financial Samurai. I'll link it in the description below. It's a great tool, a great resource. Make sure you guys check that out. All right. Next one, E-Trade. E-Trade's a good one if you're just starting out and investing. Trades are like $9.95 a trade. They do have some free trading options if you meet some minimums, but you know, nothing beats E-Trade. It's very reliable, and yeah, so check out E-Trade. Wealthfront is another one that I'm checking out. It's fairly new, but you can check Wealthfront out. They have a pretty cool and easy to use app, and so definitely check out Wealthfront. Capital One, because the reason why I mentioned Capital One is because you got to keep an eye on your credit score. So I have a card with Capital One, and they do credit card tracking and monitor your credit, etc. And having a credit score over 800 currently has really yielded me great benefits when it comes to getting loans, etc. And then my bonus one is Voya Financial Roth IRA. Definitely a great program. Highly suggest you check it out. And yeah, those are the top 10 plus the bonus websites for beginning investors. We'll run through it again. Vanguard, Realty Mogul, Coinbase, M1 Finance, Mint.com. That's again, Mint.com, if I didn't mention it above, is basically helping you organize all your finances and get a nice little snapshot dashboard of where your money's at, what your expenditures are, also tracks investments and assets. Fundrise, Financial Samurai, E-Trade, Wealthfront, Capital One, and your bonus is Voya. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Here's a sample snapshot of a breakdown that I use for investments here. Stocks, 20% of your portfolio, real estate, 30%, Roth IRA, 10%, mutual funds, 10%, 401k, 10%, Bitcoin, 5%, or cryptos and savings. Always want to keep a nice cushion at 15%. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Take a look at the links in the description to some great resources I personally use. Feel free to drop me a comment on what topics you're interested in. I cover a lot of things here on the Entrepreneur Hour, but I'm really passionate right now with regards to investing in personal finance. And yeah, definitely one of my big passions. And my last video is how to make $1 million in 2021. Check that out. Link in the description below. Alrighty, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching. Have a great one.